When it comes to fitness, we all want to succeed, but many of us trip over the same hurdles. Let's dive into the top 3 mistakes people make in their fitness journey. First up, the all-or-nothing mindset. This is a trap that can derail even the most motivated individuals. You start with a bang, hitting the gym 6 days a week, eating perfectly, and then life throws a curveball. Maybe you miss a workout or indulge in a slice of cake. Suddenly, you feel like a failure and throw in the towel. The truth is, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistency over perfection. If you miss a day, don't let it spiral into a week of bad choices.
Just get back on track the next day.
Remember, small, sustainable changes lead to lasting results. The second mistake is neglecting recovery. Many people think that more is better, more workouts, more intensity, more everything. But your body needs time to recover and rebuild. Skipping rest days can lead to burnout, injuries, and even a plateau in your progress. Incorporating recovery into your routine is crucial. This means not just taking days off, but also prioritizing sleep, hydration, and nutrition. Listen to your body. If you're feeling fatigued or sore, it's okay to take a step back. Sometimes, the best thing you can do for your fitness is to allow your body to rest and heal. Now, let's talk about goal setting. A common mistake is setting vague or unrealistic goals. Saying, "I want to get fit," or "I want to lose weight" is too broad. Instead, set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. For example, aim to run a 5K in 3 months or to lift a certain weight by a specific date. This gives you a clear target to work towards and makes it easier to track your progress. Plus, celebrating small victories along the way keeps you motivated. So, to recap, avoid the all-or-nothing mindset, prioritize recovery, and set clear, achievable goals. Fitness is a journey filled with ups and downs, but by steering clear of these common pitfalls, you'll find yourself on a much smoother path to success. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress.